what High Command does in the interest of the party, I have to follow. Being a party soldier of the party.
Your neighbor became working president, Mr. Alex Vera.
So what if,
So, are you happy?
I don't know why I'm not happy or unhappy. That question doesn't arise. He has been appointed. मुगेल election ना.
पण हे म्हणजे बिफोर एसएमडी म्हणजे नियरली 5 months आसा सध्या वचपाक. आतां जी पार्टी बूस्ट दितले जी चेंजीस जाल्यात.
See, तें सांगनी तुका हांव. जे म्हाका दिसता as a senior leader, I had told my party. But party has taken this decision. I'm a soldier of the party. जालें काबार.
Okay, thank you.
So you also are in one of the committees. So how is it?
Finance.
सगळे फायनान्स तुजे कडेन आसतलो.
होय.
हां?
मुगे बोडटना न्ही रे. आमगे पार्टीची. So let's see how it goes.
साधीन बाबतीत मातशें एग्रेशन कमी केलें तुमी पयलीं टार्गेट करताले.
ना जाल न्ही. आतां कोण जाल न्ही. आमकां कोत्ताले आमकां जाय ते भशेन कोत्तले काय न्हू. आतां पार्टीन डिसिजन घेतला. हांवें आतां अग्रेशन करून कितें मेळटा. I cannot do something against the party. Whatever the party feels is good, they have done. So now, as a soldier of the party, I have to do whatever I can so that we come back to power.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.